Hello, this is Dan Braun from Diamond Springs, California, up in the gold country. This is my first video to put up on YouTube, but I wanted to share this. So my wife and I bought a retirement home up here, and the master bath came with a garden tub. You can see the previous owner, who were elderly, put up the handle. And the bathroom also had a small 32 by 30 shower. So as you can see, it's not very big. So we wanted to have a larger shower. And we had contractors come out and to gut out the garden tub and put in a walk-in shower. We were getting quotes of $11,500 to $23,000. Depending on the quality of materials and the company that was doing it. So that the cheap end, it was just acrylic walls with a pre-made pan, or if you wanted it all tiled in, it was going to be up around the $23,000 bracket. So I decided I'm going to set myself a little goal. How can I turn this garden tub that never got used into a shower? So we had a larger shower in here because I had a hard time taking a shower in that little 32 by 30. So I set out and started searching the internet and ran across Vintage Tub, which is out in Pennsylvania, and got some supplies. So what I started out with is the stainless steel chrome circular shower rod that hung from the ceiling. And these rods, when they come 36 inches in length, and just cut them to fit. And I'll show you in a second how I made my judgment on how far I wanted that rod to hang down. And behind this shower curtain, where the garden tub is, was a big picture window, frosted of course, so you got some light in the bathroom. So the shower liner, the hose for the shower head, the shower rod came from Vintage Tub. The shower curtain I actually got just at a local store. I do believe it was probably Kmart. And I had to get a diverter that could fit onto a garden tub spout. And Vintage Tub might have that now, but at the time I found it on Amazon. So this is what the tub looks like now, with the curtain closed, if someone's in there taking a shower. But I open up the curtain, and now I have a shower that I can get into. So I had to step up, still young enough to do that. Got the window behind, as you can see, the picture window. So the picture window is frosted and the shower liner is frosted, so for privacy. But it lets a lot of light into the bathroom. So in normal situations, this curtain is open to let the light in. Now to handle the shower head, from Vintage Tub, I got a 9-foot stainless steel hose. And I got the shower head from Home Depot, and it was long enough that, as you can see, I just run it up from the spout up to the rod, and then I clipped it inside of the shower rings so I could run it around and connect on to the shower head. And it's like a rain type shower head, so it's nice. Now I had to worry about shelving to put my soap and my shampoo on. So again, go down to the local store, and I found a rod that you would get normally and stick it into a regular shower. It's just compression, so it's sitting in the bottom of the tub, goes up to the ceiling, and it's just a compression fit. Works perfectly, and it's out of the way. It's at one end of the shower. And another thing that's important here for use is this is fixed. The shower curtain is fixed on the right side that we see looking into the shower, and it slides on the left side. So this kind of creates your door. I'll close it to take a shower. Does not leak. And when I'm done, I open it. Now here's the trick of why I did it this way. Because the valves are right here. That was for the garden tub. So when I wanted to adjust the temperature, or when I was going to get out of the shower, I would just open it up a little bit like this, reach my hand out, and work the knobs for the hot and cold water. Works perfectly. And of course, getting out of the shower, just open it up, and works good. Now, so two things about the project. One is I had to find a diverter that could go onto the garden tub style spout. This is it. So there's a valve. I just always leave it in the shower position. On this side, the shower hose coming out. And when I did the measuring for the hanging rods, which happen to be 18 inches, like I said, they come 36 inches in length, so you can cut them to fit, is I knew how tall the liner was going to be. And I wanted the liner to go down, quite a ways into the tub, up about 4 inches from the bottom, but to make sure that no water got out of the tub. So that's what I did, is I figured out how far up, if I wanted that 4 inches off the bottom of the tub, how far up did I need to go to attach it to the rings and hang it from the rod. And in this case, I needed 18-inch rods. So the whole thing about this is all about, I did this for approximate cost of about $500. Would save me a minimum of $11,000 for a cheap shower with a pan and acrylic, which probably wouldn't have been happy with. It would save me a ton of money from a tiled shower. Sure, it's not a walk-in with just a lip like the other shower has, but it works just fine. Easy to get in, easy to get out. The handle helps, but you don't need it if you're younger and have mobility. And the thing with the drain, now think about this. Oh, you made a shower, but showers usually have the big drain in the bottom. Yeah, this just has a tub drain. But think about it. Any other bathtub that is a tub shower combo has that size drain. So I do not have a problem with it. So it works perfectly. And one little trick that I learned is the window. Let me get over here so you can see it a little bit better. The upper part of that picture window in the back, can slide open for ventilation and as a screen and all that. And what I do is I always leave it open just a half an inch. It's just always open, summer, winter. It helps equalize the pressure in the bathroom when the heater air is running, when the system's running, and also, helps with the moisture. And, there is a fan in the bathroom, of course, that we run when we take a shower. And now what the greatest thing about this is, what we really have now is 2 showers in our master. I have mine, the larger shower, which I like, and my wife has hers, which I showed you with the 32-inch by 30, and she loves that shower because she can pile all her stuff on there that she uses, as you can see, and doesn't have to hear me complain about it. So this is my way of turning a garden tub that never got used into a shower for approximately about $500. Take care.